today's our 4th day. It's our last full day here in Hawaii. And where are we at?
We are at Koko Head Crater, and we're here to hike up to the top. I believe it's like a 1.2. It's a pretty short hike, but it's super steep, and it's actually along a railway track that was used back in like World War II when they had a military installation up on top. So check it out.
And this is how it's huge and it's scary. The trail starts right there with some like dirt patch, and then you go into like a paved road.
Let's go, man. See what this good one is.
I think that noise is coming from a shooting range down below. Am I annoying you because I'm slow? Oh.
Okay, you can see Diamond Head right in the distance, right in the center. And Honolulu, or Waikiki on the right of it.
We're resting for a bit. What do you think of the hike so far?
It's pretty challenging. Should have practiced my lunges.
But I think so far I feel like it's fine as long as you like just take your time and watch your footing.
Yeah, it's definitely doable. You just have to pace yourself.
Yeah, like now.
Like right now.
We're resting. Over there is Hanauma Bay. I think one of the best places to go snorkeling. So this is the beginning of the scary part. Is there a way to turn back if you don't want to? Like if you want to go back to the side?
I don't think so.
So you
I
just
think this is where you choose your destiny.
Like, this is the 2,790 time.
We made it to the top with maybe 20 times resting on the side. Here's the view. Oh my god, it's not finished.
Oh yeah. You can see everything from on top. You guys are almost there. Yeah, you guys don't.
Ooh, ball. So this is what's on top.
It's the top. That's not the top.
Oh, this is not the top, but what's part of the top at least. Going up here, we got a lady, an older lady picking up trash. We were ahead of her starting the trail, but she finished way ahead of us. And we also saw this lady and her dog that went up before us, or after we had gone like 1/4 of the way. And she also came down way ahead of us. Is it scary?
Hiked over there.
Where?
That mountain at the end.
Why did we hike there?
That was the lighthouse. Lighthouse trail.
complete? No. Almost an hour and a half with a lot of rest in between.
Tired.
Got it. We're almost done with the stairs. I want to say it was nice and easy, but it wasn't.
It's been 85 years.
And we were planning on going to what other hike was
The
that?
Moana Center.
But I don't think there's a chance. After that, that was brutal.
We'll see.
No, there's no see. I think it's time for some relaxation. Okay.
We'll see.
No.
Let's go hiking.
Say hello to the little puppy we found after Koko Crater, or is it Koko Crater? He was just running around in the parking. Hi there. Where are we?
We're at Byodo-in Temple. It's a Japanese temple here on the windward side of Oahu.
Why did you ring the bell?
It's supposed to bring you happiness.
The name of the Buddha is Amitabha,
Mitama.
and it's based on pure plant teaching.
We just finished at Byodo. It's really beautiful here. It's really peaceful.
So Byodo Temple is a Buddhist temple, and it's actually a copy of a temple in Uji in Kyoto. The temple was built in 1968 and is basically a copy of the one in Uji, which is 900 years old.
Where are we?
So we are at Iolani Palace. Iolani Palace was the residence of the rulers of Hawaii before they became a state. I believe that the first ruler was King Kamehameha III, and the final ruler was Queen Lulukoani.
We're now on our 34th capital of the U.S.
So Hawaii is the 50th state. It was the 50th state admitted to the Union, and that was in, I believe, 1951. So apparently the architecture of this place resembles a lot of how Hawaii is, with a combination of nature and man-made things, the open airiness of it. These two rooms, you have the Senate chamber here. You can see on the sides it's like slanted. Apparently these are volcanoes. They're supposed to be created in the shape of volcanoes. Same with the House of Representatives right here. They have that angle, and through the volcanoes is how Hawaii is formed.
Who's this?
So this is the last ruler of the Kingdom of Hawaii before it was incorporated into the United States as a territory. This is Princess Iolani. And you can see that the palace where the leaders of Hawaii stayed is right next door to where the capital was eventually built.
So we just finished the day hiking and stuff. Now we freshened up and we're on our way to have dinner and walk around the mall area, a la Moana Mall. And I made this dress. Center has this outer area where it's like right next to the parking, and they also have the inner areas. It consists of different shops, restaurants, and like live performances, as well as food market court, and also gets in here, and like what do you call those places? Like CVS, what do you call those? Like drugstores as well. It's crazy. It's really big. Another donkey, the one close by to our hotel. We're taking home a brand new suitcase because we have too much stuff to bring home. Need some donkey hairbrush, donkey towels, donkey clocks. Need some office supplies. Donkey's got it too. Tanjiro makeup. I love Donkey.
My wallet. Hurts.
Today is our 4th day and it's our last full day here in Oahu.